Hey everyone, the Great Sean Prasad here, and today in this channel we are going to open some sodas and some Funko Pops. Let's get started. So we'll open these soda cans first to see what we get. Hopefully we get some chases. Let's see. I got these from Hot Topics. Okay, so we will start with All Might from My Hero Academia. Yeah, hopefully we get some chases. Okay. So I don't know. I think this chase is a glow in the dark, but we'll take a look. Let's see if it's a chase or not. I can't tell. This is. I can't really tell, but here he is. This guy looks awesome. So let me see if it's a chase. So it looks like a common, but we'll check out. Yep. Just a common. Okay. Yeah, it's alright. His figure looks good. Yeah, let's try another All Might again. This one looks loose. It's like someone already opened it or something. Okay, well I'm not gonna open it, I just wanted to show you guys. Just gonna see what we have here. Yep. Just another comment. Just keep this inside sealed. Okay. And I got Raphael. He's also a glow in the dark. Just open him up. Right. He's just a comment. Just gonna him back. If you guys want to see him, I already have one opened up. Yep, he's right here. It's a good figure. Okay guys, I have one more All Might. Let's see if we can get this chase. Come on. For 3, it's just another common. Alright, let's go to the pops now. Let's see what we get. I got this one from AA Anime. This is my first time ordering from these guys. Let's see if we can get a chase. Okay. It's bubble wrapped. Okay, and we got the exclusive. Not a chase, but you know, he's one of my favorite characters in Naruto. This is a nice pop. Yeah, no damage on the box, which is good. Last box is from Amazon. See what I got. So here we go. We'll open it, and it's packed. So it looks like it came from CMD stores, which is in Montreal, Quebec. Okay, let's see. And we have. Oh, nice. Okay. We just pulled Naruto 6-page Sage mode, and it looks like it's glow in the dark, which is good. I remember I ordered this. Oh, it has some damages, and it looks like it's a great pop. Well, guys, no chases. I should try again next time. If you like this video, if I can get some likes and some subscribes, that'll be helpful to me. Thank you.